Welcome, friends. Now you can speak English about relationships too, so understand their meanings as well. Let's start. I can't be in relation with you. I can't be in relation with you. मैं आपसे रिश्ता नहीं रख सकती. Are you looking for a good relationship? Are you looking for a good relationship? क्या आप एक अच्छा रिश्ता ढूंढ रहे हैं? Both are husband and wife. दोनों मियाँ बीवी हैं. Is he your relative? Is he your relative? क्या वो आपका रिश्तेदार है? Are you still unmarried? क्या आप अभी तक गैर शादीशुदा हैं? So, I hope you learned how to speak I can't be in relation with you. Are you looking for a good relationship? Both are husband and wife. Is he your relative? Are you still unmarried? So I repeated the sentences. Now come to the next page. He is a stepchild. वो एक सौतेला बच्चा है. I am repeating. He is a stepchild. Next sentence is we are a joint family. We are a joint family. हम joint family हैं. All are not like you. All are not like you. सब आपकी तरह नहीं हैं. She is the only child. You can say she is the only child of her parents. वो इकलौती बच्ची है obviously अपने parents की. My maternal uncle is a doctor. My maternal uncle is a doctor. मेरे मामू एक डॉक्टर हैं. So we can repeat the sentences. He is a stepchild. We are a joint family. All are not like you. She is the only child. My maternal uncle is a doctor. So, understood? Now come to the next page and start. The bride is looking pretty. The bride is looking pretty. दुल्हन प्यारी लग रही है या खूबसूरत लग रही है. Their stepson used to come here. Their stepson used to come here. उनका सौतेला बेटा यहाँ आता रहता है. Is your husband an engineer? Is your husband an engineer? क्या आपके शौहर इंजीनियर हैं? Does your father? What does your father do? What does your father do? आपके वालिद क्या करते हैं? My sister suggested me to go there. My sister suggested me to go there. You can also say my sister advised me to go there. मेरी बहन ने मुझे वहाँ जाने की तजवीज़ दी. So we can repeat the sentences. The bride is looking pretty. Their stepson used to come here. Is your husband an engineer? What does your father do? My sister suggested me to go there.